This is a great book. You can be a wedding MC. It has to be the definitive text on the subject. I've looked in here and taken on board so many of the things it talks about. It not only describes what an MC should do in the basic form, but it also talks about what you have to do in terms of fitting in with the overall meaning of an event. It's got all the advice you need about the different rituals that happen in a wedding, what happens with the speeches, the way things are done, the importance of the MC role to the whole thing, how they deal with other wedding professionals. It's all there. I've got hundreds of little bits all highlighted in green in here, and I'm not the sort of person to waste green highlighter, I'll tell you, but I have used a lot on this book and I can thoroughly recommend it. So grab one now.